Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 31 with a chocolate dial, fluted bezel, round diamond hour markers on a Jubilee bracelet, reference number 278273. The case, as denoted in its name, is 31 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb, made of oyster steel and ever-rose gold for strength and durability with beauty and elegance in equal measure. The architecture is a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown to ensure waterproofness down to 100 meters or 330 feet below sea level. The bezel is a fluted style capable of attracting attention from anywhere in the room with its textural look and practical legacy. Originally, this fluted look was made for the function of screwing the bezel onto the case to ensure waterproofness. Over time, it simply became an aesthetic element and today is a mark of distinction and is always in gold. In the case of this watch, it is made with the ever-rose gold, meaning that Rolex combined 18 karat rose gold rather, with their own oyster steel to create a very strong yet appealing rose gold that will never diminish over time. So, this crystal is a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal, and there's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. The dial on this model is a chocolate color with a slight sunburst finish to it, if you can see from the angles. It does have that sunray finish. Set with 10 diamonds and 18 karat gold settings on all hour marks except for the 12 and 3, which are taken by the Rolex crown logo and the date window respectively. The diamond presentation set before a chocolate sunburst dial background makes for a very special, distinguished look for those looking to really demonstrate a refined air and taste in aesthetics. Alright, and so while we're here talking about the date window, setting the time is rather easy. Simply unwind the crown to the first position. This allows you to wind the watch, and as you can see, the watch has already been wound as the seconds hand has been going already. Pull out to the second position, rotate the crown counterclockwise to set the date very quickly. And note that this takes barely any rotation to advance the date forward. So if you need to, you can actually skip over the 31st day of a month very quickly if you really need to, assuming that your month is only 30 days long. Alright, pulling it out to the final position, it actually stops the second hand, and you can then change the minute hand with ease. Alright, be sure to press the crown and wind it back against the case to ensure that superior water resistance. Alright, this bracelet is a Jubilee style with the 5-piece links, with the 3 middle links being yellow rosor, Rolex's own proprietary compound of 18 karat gold and steel. The outer links are also oyster steel, which is effectively Rolex's own strengthened version of steel, and combined together, these links shine radiantly with luster and strength despite the very small size for a 31 millimeter case. The clasp is the concealed folding crown clasp, which allows the clasp to effectively hide underneath the Rolex crown logo. To open it, simply lift the top of the crown, and it opens nice and easy. Perhaps the most important part of this watch is the movement. It has the caliber 2236 made in-house by Rolex, and is perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding with a plus or minus 2 second per day time differential exceeding Swiss standards of timekeeping. It allows for instant date setting with rapid setting and stop seconds for precise time setting, as demonstrated earlier. The oscillator is the Siloxy hairspring in silicon with patented geometry and is complete with high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers. It is a bidirectional, self-winding via perpetual rotor, so you can effectively wind the watch simply by wearing it. The natural movements of your wrist will keep it wound, and replenish the 55-hour power reserve. If you need to set it down on a Friday evening, you can pick it back up on a Monday morning, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Alright, and so to try this watch on, alright, note that the dial is rather small on my wrist, at about 7.5 inches in circumference, but that gives it, I think, a very good balance between bracelet and case. And note that the case also does not rise too high above my wrist, so it fits very nicely under any jacket sleeve or long sleeve. Alright, and with any skin tone, there's something about this watch that really stands out. For those with lighter skin tones, it's the chocolate dial. For people with darker skin tones, I imagine the diamonds will really set this timepiece apart from all others with beauty and distinction. So who is this watch for? This is certainly for those who put more emphasis on distinction and aesthetics, a little bit more than functionality, but that's not to say that you can't use the date window or, the time to tell the time. It's very useful if you've taken a few days off and need to get back into the swing of things without having to compromise any of this timepiece's looks. The chocolate dial complements the ever rose gold accents in the bezel and the bracelet very well. So, what do you think about this watch? Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, as it really helps our channel out. Be sure to share this video with anybody looking for their next watch, or is perhaps thinking of upgrading their Datejust 31 to something with more sparkle and regality. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. Don't forget, if you want this or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.